There are times in life when it feels like everything is heavy. You try to smile, but inside, you feel tired and worried. Still, there is a quiet sign, a little hint, that better days are coming. Today, I want to tell you 5 big signs that good times are coming. You might already be seeing them without noticing. These signs remind you that your patience, your struggles, and your trust will bring rewards. The first sign is a change in your heart. You may feel lighter, even when life is hard. Small things that seemed normal before now make you happy. A cup of tea in the morning, a smile from someone, or a quiet moment outside can make you feel grateful. This feeling is your heart saying the dark days are ending. Your soul is getting ready to receive good things. When your heart feels this, it means good times are near. The second sign is clear thinking. Life can make your mind full of worries and doubts. But when good times are near, your mind starts to see things more clearly. Decisions that were hard before now seem easy. You may let go of old worries that kept you awake at night. This clarity is not just in your mind, it is a sign that your life is moving in the right direction. The third sign is unexpected opportunities. They may be small at first, a kind word, a chance meeting, or a new idea. But these are signs that good things are coming. Life opens doors quietly, checking if you are ready. When you see these moments, pay attention and take action. They are showing you that your hard work is being noticed. The fourth sign is better relationships. You may feel closer to people who matter. Old friends may return, misunderstandings may end, and true friendships can grow stronger. Life brings these people back to support you. When your heart feels connected to others, it is a sign that happy and peaceful days are coming. The fifth sign is a feeling of peace. Even if problems are still there, you feel calm inside. You trust that every difficulty has a reason, and your heart stops worrying so much. This calm is a strong sign. It means you are ready to receive good news, good moments, and blessings. Peace does not mean there are no problems. It means you have hope and trust in life. Look for these signs because they guide you. Life is changing slowly, and better days are coming. Patience is not just waiting, it is strength. Trust is not blind, it is believing that life is bringing good things to you. Your problems will not last forever. Your heart is opening. Your mind is clear. Opportunities are coming. Relationships are healing. Peace is returning. All this shows one thing: good times are coming. Today, keep hope in your heart. Watch for these signs. Enjoy small moments. Let your spirit rise above fear and doubt. You are ready for good days, even if you cannot see them fully yet. Life is moving forward for you, and every step brings you closer to happiness, comfort, and blessings. If this video touched your heart, share it with someone who needs hope today. Like the video, and subscribe for more messages that remind you to trust, stay patient, and believe in good things. Keep hope alive. Good times are coming closer than you think.